Find the final value of an investment of £250 that depreciates by 2% for the first 3 years and then increases by 5% for the next 2 years. Okay, so the multiplier for a decrease of 2% is going to be 1 minus 0.02, 100% minus 2%, which gives you 0.98, so you get 98% of it left. And then the multiplier for an increase of 5% is going to be 1 plus 0.05, which is going to be 1% plus 5%, which is 1.05. Then the final amount of the investment will be 250, the original amount, times 0.98, because it depreciates, and it does that for 3 years, so we'll need to raise that to the power of 3, times 1.05, and it does that for the next 2 years, so we'll need to raise that to the power of 2. Then we just take our calculator out and work it out. We get 259.416, which will give me 259.42. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find a amount of investment after a decrease and an increase. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.